And today's star is OneNote for Windows 10. I wanted to share with you how I like to use OneNote in the feature of the section groups. If you right click on this pane, you have two options. You have new section and new section group. And most people opt for the upper option, which is to create a new section. And they go on and fill the left pane with sections and sections and sections, which is fine if that's what you prefer. In my preference is to create section groups, and I'll show you why. So if you create a section group, it's like you're creating a hanging folder, and then inside of that section group, you can also create another section group, and you see it's being nested, and you can repeat the process as many times as you need for your specific project. So instead of having one, two, three, four sections out here, I only have one section group that is taking the space of one, two, three, four sections. See? So that makes it a lot easier if I need to organize several projects, several sections in a better, more efficient way. When I go to channel here, English, and then if you see here, journal, I started a journal. And this is just a sample. This is not the whole thing, but in very few clicks and spaces, pretty much in one space, if you had this journal, I'm going to drag it out, see if I can drag it out of there. I select it and drag it out. It's not letting me drag it out. If you expand it, you can see that I have a year, and in my actual notebook, I do have several years of journaling, and they fit within the one folder. So within that year, I have created 3 months. Just for the sake of the video, I didn't go ahead and created all 12 months. But you can see that you can further add section groups within a section group like I showed here, and then those become the months. Then inside of those, you're going to start adding your weeks until you get your 52 weeks. You get the idea. This way, you're saving a lot of space, because I could have 52 sections to create 52 weeks out here, and that's not efficient and not very organized. While using the grouping format, or you could also call this the Windows folder tree, because this is exactly what it is. It's a Windows folder tree format, and you can collapse it, collapse it, collapse it, collapse it, collapse it, collapse it. And what do you have? You have one space, one single space, able to capture a lot of information. I mean, we can go on and expand this, and you can see what you can do with it. That way, now you have more real estate to create more section groups and start adding information. How's that for a change? And that's the way I like to use the Windows folder tree structure for OneNote, because it saves me a lot of space. It's more efficient. I become more effective by organizing the month into weeks, the weeks into days. I can even split the day. If I need more information in a day, I can add a subpage or more to a specific day to add more information for that day. and doing the same principle of Windows folder tree. See, you're adding a sub page to the previous page, and it's a lot more effective, a lot more efficient um, to save space in OneNote. Hope you like it. Please leave me your comments, what you think, and what you'd like to see. I do have complete journals created in other notebooks, um, and a lot of information, populated into the daily logs. This is just a sample that I had, a quick sample per se, what you could do, and hopefully you like it, and hopefully it helps you organize your sections a better way to save space and add more information to OneNote. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.